So here we are having your given sec theta is equals to 13 upon 12. So solution, let your theta at a, theta हमने a पर ले लिया. It is clear. Now if we have taken theta at a, so that I can write your sec theta is equals to what? Hypotenuse upon sec theta is what? Hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse in this your AC, and base we are having your A and B, and it is given, this statement is first we have given sec theta is 13 upon 12, and we know this thing, statement number 2, that sec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon base is equals to A upon C. So I can write FROM from your statement number first and statement number second. My AC upon AB is equals to 13 upon 12. On the basis AC upon AB 13 and 12, I am going to write AC is equals to 13 and AB is equals to 12. You can see it is clear. So after that, here I am going to use, after this, leaving one line. बेटा अगर ये स्क्रीन क्लियर नहीं होगा तो मुझे इंटीमेट कर देना. It is clear. So here using Pythagoras theorem, using PYTHA GORAS, Pythagoras THEOREM, Pythagoras theorem, what we have to find out? Perpendicular whole square is equals to your hypotenuse whole square minus base whole square. So perpendicular I am having in the figure, that figure I am having, it is of your BC. Your BC whole square is equals to AC is given 13 whole square minus your B is given 12 whole square. It is given in your, no, it is given in units, UNI, because no centimeter meter is given. So your BC whole square is equals to 13 times is equals to 169, 12 is equals to 144. So your BC is equals to under root 4 9 13 1 10 11 1 300, and it is equals to your, correction, it is subtraction. So subtraction 495 will be here, you will get here 5, and 642 you will get 25. So it BC is equals to 5. So BC we got 5. So I am going to write at the place of B and C, that is 5. It is clear, real number. Now we have to find out all other ratios. So I am going to keep the start writing under this figure. All other ratios, you can see other ratios, O T H E R, other, RATIO, ratio. First of all, your sine theta. Sine theta is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In the figure, perpendicular is my B and hypotenuse I am having my 13. First is, then COS, cos theta. Cos theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse. So my base is 12 and hypotenuse I am having 13. So it is 12 upon 13. Are you getting it? Then yes, we have having your 10 theta. So 10 is my perpendicular upon base. Therefore perpendicular I am having 5 and base we are having 12. It is clear. Now the reciprocal of sine, that is of your cosec theta, is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. That means it is our 13 upon 5. Now sec, cos sec theta, it is already given in the question. That is our hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is given 13 and base we are having 12, and 10 it will be your cot theta. So it is your base upon perpendicular. So base I am having 12, perpendicular I am having 5. Now you can see all the ratios. So all the ratios are here. Any doubt in this question now? Screen is very clear for you. So question number 6 we have given, if A and B are the two acute angle and cos A is equals to cos B, find or prove that angle A is equals to angle B. So we have started the solution, given part, and cos A is equals to cos B. That means this part of the cos and this So triangle we can't take like this. So I am going to take it A. It will be our B, and this we are going to take C. So angle A, it is written cos A is equals to cos B. These two angles, because angle C is your 90 degree. It is clear? 90 degree. So proof we will start. Cos A is equals to cos B. It is given in the question. Already given in the question. If it is given in the question, so you can see what is cos A. Cos A, suppose the theta is here, that means the formula of cos is, I am going to write the formula of cos here. You can see that the ratio of your cos theta is equals to your base upon hypotenuse. It is clear? So if it is cos A, if it is your cos A, then also base, what is the base? Your base is your AC, and hypotenuse you will have your A and B. This cos A portion and your cos B, if the theta is at the place of B, then your base will be, if the theta is here, then it will be your base. It is clear? So your BC is upon hypotenuse is our AB. It is clear? This is cos A, AC and AB, cos B, BC and BB. So I can write in place of this, your cos A is equals to cos B. So A is your AC upon your AB, and cos B is your BC upon AB. So from this we will have my AC is equals to BC. That means the side AC is equals to side BC. Side AC और BC मेरे पास बराबर है. And if the side AC and BC of the triangle is equal, that means the triangle is isosceles triangle. Or I can write since, S-I-N-C-E, since in triangle, in a Triangle, triangle, and angle OPPOSIT opposite to EQUAL equal SIDAS sides ARER EQUAL equal. देखो ये opposite sides opposite SIDAS sides are EQUAL equal. We have proved this thing, opposite side equal. And we know this, that if the triangle is having opposite side equal, that means the angles opposite to the sides of a triangle are also equal. So therefore we can write, therefore you can write angle A is equals to angle B. It is clear? This part is also clear? If 3 cot A is equals to 4, then we have to CHECK check whether 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 your 1 minus your 10 square A upon 1 plus my 10 square B is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. So solution we are going to start. SOLUTION solution. You can see we have given that 3, it is given GIVEN, given 3 cot A is equals to 4. Sending this 3 multiplication cot on that side, it will become your cot A is equals to 4 upon 3. With now I am going to draw a figure, a small figure we will take. I am going to draw a figure little down so that we can see the figure at the end of the question and up to end of the question. Clear? So little down I am going to draw. It is, I have taken, it is A, it is B, and it is C. This is 90 degree. So you can see cot, the formula of cot is what? The formula of cot is our base upon perpendicular. If the theta is at the tape A place, so the base is my A and B, and perpendicular is your B and C. That means base is equals to 4 units. We will see, no, units are not given. So if units are not given, we can write K. It is your real number, and it will be your 3K. It is also real number. That means therefore your AP is equals to 4 units, 4K, and our BC is equals to 3K. So now what we will do, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. I am going to use the Pythagoras theorem here. Let it. We will use the Pythagoras theorem here on. Leaving one line, USING using PYTHAGORAS. GORAS, Pythagoras. Using Pythagoras theorem, THEO theorem, I can write hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equals to our perpendicular square plus our base square. So the hypotenuse is my AC whole square. Perpendicular I am having 3K whole square plus our base is equals to 4 or 4K whole square. That K is our what? Real number. So here we will have AC whole square is equals to 3 times is equals to 9, 4 is equals to 16K. So it is what? AC whole square is equals to 25. Removing this, it will be of your under root 25 and becomes only 5. Under root 25 and it will be your 5. So I can write over here, your AC is equals to 5K. It is clear? K means your real number because units are not given, centimeter, meters are not given. After leaving one line, now we will start with this part. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. So together we are going to write it. Now fixing this. Now you can see the information in given. So first of all I am going to find out your sin square A. सब चीजों को अलग अलग find कर लेते हैं. So here we will write your sin square A. I am going to tell what is the formula of sin A. Formula sin theta का formula क्या होता है? Sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So in the given figure, my perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. It is clear. Now cos we will square we are not going to put. Then your cos A we are going to say. So cos is our base upon hypotenuse. So you can write base is our 4 and hypotenuse is our 5. It is clear. And tan A we will take because in the figure the tan A is also required. So we can write tan A. So tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So in the question perpendicular upon 3 and base is our 4. These three things are required. Now LHS. First of all, I am going to write the question for you. That is of your 1 minus your tan square A upon 1 plus. देखो बेटा बहुत easy है. बस वैल्यू पुट अप करना है आपको आंसर आ जाएगा. tan square A is it should be equal to our cos square A minus our sin square A. इसके बराबर प्रूव करना है. So LHS I am going to write. This is RHS, LHS. You can see LHS I am going to put the values. 1 minus what is tan A? We have taken tan A here. That is our 3 upon 4 whole square. It is to be divided by 1 plus our tan A 3 upon 4 again 3 upon 4 whole square. Acha, okay, let me give a second so that screen will not be. Now screen will be clear. Okay, now you got it. Now I am going to solve it. See here, 1 minus 3 times is equals to 9, 4 times is equals to 16 upon 1 plus your 9 upon 16. Now we will see ahead. That is of your 16 minus 9 upon 16, then divided by your 16 plus your 9 upon 16. So both the 16 will be cancelled at the time and you will get here your 9 16. It will be of your 7 and 9 plus 25. It is clear. It will be your 7 upon 25. And RHS we will see now. This is LHS is this. Now we will see RHS. So RHS I am going to take for you. It is cos square A minus r sin square A. So cos we have taken, that is of your 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 it is to be whole square, minus sin is we have taken a sin, that was our 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 it is to be squared here. 4 times equals to 16, 5 and 25 minus 3 9 5 25. So if you are going to subtract, it will be of your 7 upon 25. You can see it is our LHS and you can see it is your RHS. So you can write your LHS. Your LHS is equals to your RHS proved, hence proved. It is clear. It is what? Your PROVED proved. Why? Because both the digit, it is of your 7 upon 25. LHS and RHS is 7 upon 25. Therefore, you can write your 1 minus. Therefore, you can write your 1 minus your tan square A upon 1 plus your tan square A is equals to your cos square A minus your sin square A. Sin square A. It is PROVED proved. It is clear. Any doubt in this question?
Yes, sir.
You got it?
सर ये 7/20/7/25 कैसे आया सर ऊपर वाले में सर?
Which one? Which one? Which one? This one you are asking. I think you are asking about this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because there are double number here. I am going to show that this part. You can see this part I am going to take on this corner. It was written earlier. It was written. You see here. It was written. See here. 6 minus 9/16. तो 6 minus 9/16 ये वाला फिगर क्या बन जाएगा आपका? 6 minus 9. Your 6 minus 9/16. हाँ, very good. और 16 plus 9/16. देखो मैंने दोबारा लिख लिया वही चीज. तो ये वाला फिगर आपका बन जाएगा 7/16 divided by 25/16. ऐसी तो बन जाएगा. Now this is a big division sign. अब इस वाले को मैं दूसरे तरीके से लिख लेता हूँ. 7/16 divided by 25/16. अब हमने 8th क्लास में पढ़ा था जब डिवाइड आता है तो अगले वाले नंबर को रेसिप्रोकेट करते हैं. 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 16/25. तो 16 से 16 कट गया, 7/25 आया. लेकिन ये प्रोसेस तो छोटी क्लास में थी बेटा, अब बड़ी क्लास में आ गए हो. आपको ये वाला इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ऊपर वाला नीचे, तो ये वाला नंबर और ये वाला नंबर कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. सो ऑब्वियसली यू विल गेट डायरेक्टली 7/25. किस बेसिस पर? इस बेसिस पे जो कैलकुलेशन मैंने आपको बताया रेसिप्रोकेट करने के बाद. हर किसी में नहीं कैंसिल कर देंगे. इट इज क्लियर. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो नेक्स्ट को पहले हम ठीक कर लेते हैं. सो इन ट्राइंगल PQR राइट एंगल एट Q. इट इज क्लियर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल. एक ट्राइंगल में बना लेता हूँ. ट्राइंगल आई एम गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एट लिटिल डाउन इन द सेंटर सो दैट एट द एंड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी. क्वेश्चन के आखिरी तक भी आपको ट्राइंगल दिखता रहे. इट इज क्लियर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ. आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर ट्राइंगल PQR where your Q is your PQR. It is P and I am having a Q and R. It is written right angle at Q. It is written. Oh, so we will change it. It is our P we will take. It is Q and this will be we will R. So PQR right angle at Q we have taken. This is the initial information. Now we will see PR plus. अब हम given information को लिख लेते हैं. I am going to begin with the solution. I don't know why it's clear. Now it is clear. So solution I am going to write SOLUTION. Solution you can see. So given part GIVEN. Given we have given in this. Given the our PR plus QR. It is given our PR plus my QR is equals to 25 centimeters. PR plus QR 25 centimeters we have given. And PQ. So and it is given that PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So PQ is 5 centimeter. I am going to write it is 5 centimeter. It is clear. So PR that means this side and PQ this side. So you can see here. Let I am going to take my QR. Let QR is equals to X. मैंने इसको X मान लिया. Suppose I have taken it a X. ये वाले को X मान लिया. Therefore, I can write my PR plus X is equals to 25 and my PR side is equals to 25 minus X. So I am going to write 25 minus X here. 25 minus X I have written here. So this we have done. Now all three sides we are having. So what we have to use now? What formula? Using what formula? Are you able to listen my voice? Pythagoras theorem. Very good. It is what your we can write it perpendicular whole square plus, okay, perpendicular whole square plus our base whole square
is equals to hypotenuse square.
Or reciprocately we can write here. So I am going to write here hypotenuse, that is of hypotenuse whole square. Correction, hypotenuse whole square is equals to perpendicular whole square plus base whole square. So hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is my P and R whole square. Perpendicular is what? My R and Q whole square. Base is what? My P and Q whole square. So this is given me 25 minus X whole square is equals to QR. RQ is my X whole square plus your 5 whole square. So you can see, if you are going to elaborate the thing, so a plus a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square. If 25 just 625, it is 625. A square minus 2ab, so 2ab means 25 2 ja 50, x plus b square means x square is equals to, this is of this a minus b whole square. Now a x square will be here, your x square will be remain x square, 5 times is equals to 25. Now you can observe that both side we are having x square, so both side it is positive x square, so it will be cancelled. It is clear? Are you getting? This will be cancelled with this. Now here you can see 625 minus 50 and 25. So I am going to bring this 25 this side and 50 on that side. So we are having here 625 plus 25 is equals to, it is positive 5 positive, so it becomes here negative 25. It will be negative 25 here. Then it will be your positive 50x. See here 5 5 25, positive was there. So it will be subtracted and becomes 600 is equals to your 50x. 50 is standing on that side, it will be of your 50 is equals to x, cancelled. No, your x is going to be what? 12 5 ja 60. So x is your 12. It is clear? That means your QR is equals to 12. And once you got the QR is equals to 12, so the initial given part was PR plus QR is equals to 25. It was given, GIVN given. Now this statement, the statement number we will take first. So your PR plus your 12 is equals to 25. Now your PR is equals to 25 minus 12. So your PR is equals to 13. PR is equals to your 13. Now we will go to the figure once again. Here we will have here. So this we have taken 12 centimeters and this we have taken your 13 centimeter. QR is equals to 12 and PR. Now what we have to find out in this? At the end of the question, he is asking us determine the value of sine P, cos P and tan P. What values we have to find out? So we have to find out our sine P. Sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So if the theta is at the place of P, perpendicular is my 12 and hypotenuse is my 13. It is clear? Then we have to find out cos P. It is what? Cos P. If theta is at the place of this, then is based upon hypotenuse. My base is 5, hypotenuse is my 3. Then again 10 P and we have to find out your 10 P. And if 10 P, the formula is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 12 here in this and the base is your 5. So this is the solution. You got the solution now? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I so 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. After that, we will have addition sign. Then sine 60. The value of sine 60, we have value sine 60 का value है 1 by 2. Then value of cos 60. Cos 60 का value chart से हमने observe कर लिया. It is 1 by 2. So in this we have put by we know values we know. So by putting values by PUTTING, putting VALUS values, we have we have this is we have. So multiplication of these two we will first because according to the board mass the multiplication come first, then we will add the values. So under root 3 is to be multiplied by under root 3, it becomes only 3. Then 2 times is equals to 4. Then addition sign, these two is to be 1 upon 4. Now the next step you can see, if we are going to take the sum, the LCM will be common 4. Now this will be remain 3 and this will be 1, it remain 1. So it becomes your 4 upon 4 and your answer will be of your 1 because it will be cancelled. Is this difficult to do? Exercise question number 1. Is this difficult to do? 1 second.
No, sir.
It is given, question is given sin 60 cos 30 sin plus sin 30 multiplied by cos 60. We have seen the value of sin 60 from the chart, then sin cos 30 from the chart, sin 30 from the chart, and sin cos 60 from the chart. After that we simply operate these fractions. और उसके बाद हमने ये fractions को operate कर दिया. Usually we have done in class 7th and 8th.